Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Shubham's Origami World. In today's video we are going to fold this simple but cute origami snail. You can see there are two colors involved in this model. For such a model you need to have a paper which is white from one side and colored from another side. And while starting your model you need to put the white side up so that you can get the colored shell and white body. I was not having such a paper during my tutorial, so I've used a paper which was colored from both sides, but you can use this kind of paper to get this color transition in the snail. So let's get started. You need to fold the paper diagonally. Like this. Then bring these flaps to center line. This one too. Again bring these edges to center line. This one too. Now turn the model over and bring these edges to center line. Like this. Okay. Now fold the model in half. Now this longer side, we need to fold it like this, such that after folding this triangle is going to be 90 degrees straight, perpendicular to this surface. See the difference? Now turn the model over, fold it like this again, turn it over. Now this is going to become the shell. Keep folding backward like this, straight, press it firmly. Now we need to fold this backward. We need to keep folding it like this until the paper is finished from this side. You can see a shell is forming. You need to do it carefully because paper is quite hard at this stage. You will tear it off if you do it without care. I'm going to make it the last fold here. Now the shell is ready. Now we need to outside reverse fold here. Can you see a paper indication here? Like, first fold it like this and then make an outside reverse fold both sides. Like this. Fold this edge inside to the point where it intersects. Okay. Now inside reverse fold along this, connecting these 2 points. Can you see? But these are those 2 tentacles. It's almost ready. Now open this like this. And from here too, so that its body gets in shape. Okay, and it's ready.